Hello, my uni is arranging a hike today with many other students. So let's go. This is the outfit, the hoodie, these camo pants, and then there's a jacket as well. Hold on, let me just wear it. You might be thinking, what shoes are you gonna wear? Because I've never seen you wear any hiking shoes. Correct, I don't have any hiking shoes. I'm actually gonna be wearing snow boots that I got when I first came here. And since they give grip in the snow, I assume it'll do the same for dirt and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna use these. Okay, they're off camera, but I'll get them. I'm gonna use these black snow boots, and I hope they serve the purpose because it goes well with the outfit. They go well with this outfit. So I don't know. All right, see ya. We're here at the Rat House, and this is apparently the meeting point for this hike. There's way too many people here that I don't know or like recognize from class, so I'm excited to get to know them. Yeah, it's so dead, and we're like just walking in the back. We're contemplating if we should like skip this and go to like Subway to grab a bite. But yeah, insane view. Back to us. But yeah, what do you want to do? Subway looks so good right now. I can't lie. Look at that. This is our one. Not our one. Yeah, this is our one. Yeah, this is our one. Oh, this is our one. Okay. Yeah, this is our one. It's already killing us. The uphill is uphilling. It's too much. We still on our one, but we just stopped by at a really good view. It's really beautiful. The grass and everything, it looks really good. Yeah.
Oh, you want me to move aside or?
Please, you're the subject. Podcast shit, bro. This is some podcast shit, bro. Yeah. We are really enjoying this hike. As you can see, we are away from people because we are getting too much attention there. We are like very popular. Fuck no. None of that is true.
No.
Fuck no. We're walking in the back because we don't interact with people. I'm listening to some of these conversations and I'm like, whoa, that and all happened. Oh, it's like every time I have to talk to people, I'm like, oh, I have to pretend to
act interested.
We're like, oh, right. But yeah, it's like good view though. Other than that, it's like I hope this is it. I don't want to do more walking. The walk till here itself was
I
like
think there is more. It's a 4 hour hike. And, it's like barely, I think 1 hour is over, no?
2 hours.
2 hours over. I think 2 hours walking back.
But actually, we started at 11, so it's only been 1 hour. This is
Okay.
this is still hour one.
Still an hour.
This is still an hour one. You can lock in and say it again.
Oh, it's still hour 1.
Yeah, hour 2 in like 4 minutes. I hope like they wind it up within like 3 hours because everyone was so like productive with it. Oh yeah. Snacko, bro, I'm right here.
We are right here.
End of hour 2. How are you feeling?
I love it. This is the best thing that has ever happened to me since Berlin.
Hell yeah, bro. That's the attitude we need.
I'm getting the Berlin vibe here. This looks like Charlottenburg, like almost. Just turn the camera.
Whoa, this might be Charlottenburg.
Like now, all we have to do is find an apartment. We did this right.
But yeah, we're very excited. You can see the people in the back. Very excited. Woo!
So yeah, we out here.
We out here.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm dead. Head hurts so bad. My lower back is. And my legs are gone. I can't walk anymore. There's one more. More spots apparently. Are we going for that?
I personally don't want to go because I've seen like enough to like quit at this point. In the start, I was like, bro, we haven't even seen shit. But we like explored 2 spots already and like went through the woods. So I feel like we've checked every box we need to.
Yeah, I fuck with the hiking, but the
hike is too much, bro. It's getting way too real. Getting like too difficult. And plus, like, what I realize is these boots, there's way too much room in it. So it's like my legs are just like getting, I don't know, thrown around when I'm walking. And like the bottom of it is shockingly thin. So it's like when I step on like a log and shit, it hits. I feel it.
I have these Yeezys.
Yeezys. Kanye's one of Kanye's greatest creations. Okay, everybody's getting up, shall we?
If you get up, we have to go with them.
Oh no, we can just escape from the back.
Sure.
Hour? I don't know. I don't know which hour is what. How are you doing?
Hour 53.
Hour 53. How are you doing?
Just like, I think.
We gave an update like 2 minutes ago. What the hell?
Yeah.
But I feel like every time I'm miserable, I start recording. Views.
Yes. Clickbait as title I'm gonna use, bro.
Bro, it's like I don't think we've seen anything different than this. I can't do this anymore. This is gonna be the last clip probably because I can't film. Like my mindset to film is just gone. Like feet hurting, hungry, stomach keeps growling, brain empty.